Hey Drop Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. We've got some fresh and exciting updates about Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, especially the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and there's something really interesting going on with its chipset options, particularly for those of you in the US. So, here's what's happening. Until now, Samsung has never used Exynos chipsets in its foldable lineup. They've always relied on Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors across the board. Naturally, we were all expecting the Galaxy Z Flip 7 to continue that same trend worldwide. But this year, Samsung seems to be shaking things up a bit. It turns out that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be equipped with the Exynos 2500 chipset in certain regions, including South Korea, which is Samsung's home turf, and also India. Yeah, that's quite a shift from what we've seen in previous foldable generations. Now here's the twist. If you're in the US, you'll still be getting the Snapdragon variant. Specifically, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, also known as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. So, US buyers won't see much change, you'll continue enjoying top-tier Snapdragon performance. It looks like other countries like China and possibly Japan might also be getting the Snapdragon model. But the major chipset split seems to be between markets like the US, China, and Japan, versus South Korea, India, and some other select regions. Now an important thing to highlight, this chipset variation only applies to the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which is Samsung's clamshell-style foldable. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is their larger book-style foldable, is still expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally. So, no Exynos for the Fold 7, at least not this year. As for when these new foldables are dropping, Samsung is expected to unveil them around July or August during its annual Galaxy Unpacked event. And alongside the Flip 7 and Fold 7, Samsung might also introduce a more budget-friendly model, likely called the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Now let's talk about some juicy performance details. Thanks to a trusted tipster, Abhishek Yadav, we've seen the Galaxy Z Flip 7 pop up on Geekbench. According to the leak, it's running the Exynos 2500 chip and comes with Android 16 right out of the box. The Geekbench listing shows some early scores: 2012 for single-core performance and around 7563 for multi-core. The tested model also featured 12 GB of RAM and had the model number SMF766U, which seems to be the unlocked US variant. Now, while these scores are decent, the Exynos 2500 still doesn't quite match up with the Snapdragon 8 Elite in terms of raw performance. But let's not forget, these might just be early test results, and things could improve closer to the final release. And yep, as we mentioned before, Samsung is also expected to launch a Snapdragon version of the Flip 7, which will likely offer a bit more in terms of performance, depending on where you are in the world. Aside from the chipsets, rumors hint at a larger cover screen, better performance, and possibly some new battery tech with thinner cells in the Flip 7. Plus, all the new foldables, including the FE variant, are expected to come with One UI 8 based on Android 16 right out of the box. So, if you're in the US, expect to get the Snapdragon-powered Galaxy Z Flip 7. But if you're in India or South Korea, you might be seeing the Exynos variant instead. What do you all think about Samsung's decision to split chipset variants by region like this? Smart move or just confusing? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. And that's all the latest for now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.